Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find rear view camera, wireless charging station, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.